is it that you want to do? I'm going to take this and get it all entangled here. Get it unplugged. Alright, I want to get this so it's not going to be in my way with all these wires. So, you can go there. I don't want it over there. I want it over here. What do I have over here? No. All I need is a shelf. Oh, wait a minute. No. Okay, wait a minute. We may have something here. Yeah, let me do it. Well, let's do this first. Let's find a home for that. I want it down here so I can just do what I got to do, and all the cordage will be hanging down there. The cordage on the solder gun, or the solder iron itself, is way long enough to reach anything on this bench. So that's what I want to do. So now here's what I'm going to do. What is that you say? I said I'm going to move this little block over here more. Is there room over here? Let me see. How the hell did I put that in there? Ah, power negative. Okay. Whoa, I did that. Whoa, I did that. Wow. I did good. Let me get a driver. There's the baby. Just gotta move this over here. And knowing me, okay, so you're going to go right here. Actually, yeah, you can go right there. But I want to put you over here. No, right here. No, okay, can't put you there. Yeah, I can. I just gotta get longer screws. Okay, let's do that. How much longer do I need? Oh, I need 3s. Okay. You're okay, baby. You're okay. You're not going anywhere. Huh. So no, you're not. Okay, now I don't want to screw into any wires under here, so watch where we go. Here and there. Okay. So if I go here. Glue those in, screw those in. Glue, screw. You got the picture. Take a couple of these. And a couple of these. Yeah. Take a couple of shorties and a couple of long ones. Am I going to try to do this? Probably not. Probably not. Let's make sure it's going to fit where I'm going to put it before I do it. Oh yeah. That's it. Okay. So, what? I got to turn this upside down. Is this going to work? Probably not. I'm not going to do the whole and both at the same time. Okay, so let's take this one out of the way. Let's do this one first. Right there, right there. Come on, stay still. I do have a starter hole in this, so that's a start. Oh, starter hole, start. Okay. Now we got a starter hole on this side as well. But I'm not going to use that one because it's way too far. Too far, too far. I don't have to be perfect on these measurements as far as if one's back a little further or not. Doesn't make a difference to me at this point. There. Okay, now let's get these even. Get that straight. Get that straight. Put a couple more screws in. Not going to be a lot of weight on it, but I want a couple screws in there anyway. Should I do one more? I really don't have to. The glue's going to take it. The glue will take it. Now, I wonder, should I use? Well, I could, but I want to put it back further. I want to put it back further. Okay. I want to put it back a little bit further. Well, here I'm thinking. Now, let's see here. Am I about right? I think so. Okay, so we got that one. Okay. Now, this one should be right about here. Oh, let's make sure. Okay. Good. Should I or shouldn't I? I'll put a couple shorties in there just to help it along a little bit. Oop, not that. And right here. All right. All right. Now this will go under there with some double-sided tape. Just drop this from the back side. And now everything will be out of my way as far as wires and shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Double side. See, I won't put it on that. Yeah. That's what I want on. Should I go all the way across? Why not? I got it here. Let's go here to here, here to here, to there, to there. Where's my little exacto? My exacto? Where is that? Where is my exacto when I need it? Now I was playing with it over here, remember? When I was working on the phone. The phone that I destroyed. She actually likes the new one. She's just trying to figure it out. Okay. No, I didn't take it anywhere. Would I know? I would have left it here. This is probably not going to do it, but we'll try it. Oh, it does. I didn't realize that I had that sharp. Come on. That's the hardest part, getting that off. And then getting it off your finger. Oh, that's a wonderful thing. Wonderful thing, wonderful thing. The pencil. The iron. See, here's the thing. If I had that station up here, this wire is always going to be hanging around. With it down here, it's going to be hanging down and not getting in anybody's way. Right. Move this here for a second. Put this in for a second. And put it back down there. There we go. Okay. Now this can go in there. And eventually, let me put it back a little further. Hold on. Yeah. Now, eventually, this will start to find its own home and hang more so. I don't want to put it back anymore because I want to be able to see what I'm doing. But there she is. So she's really not in the way. She's sticking out a little bit more than normal, but nothing to where it's going to get